Just look at that. Crispy golden brown baked chicken drumsticks, served with perfectly roasted potatoes and a fresh, colorful salad. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this recipe because it's easy, so flavorful, and best of all, no deep fry needed. Before we get into it, here's what you'll need for this recipe. Simple everyday pantry ingredients, nothing complicated. You'll need your chicken drumsticks. Remember to pat them dry if you want them crispy. Onion powder, paprika, all-purpose flour, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, baking powder, which is a secret ingredient for the crispiness, and some cooking oil. And remember, I've listed the full recipe with quantities on the website, so be sure to check that out after this video. First up, let's mix our seasoning blend. I'm combining garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, a little flour, some baking powder, and of course, a touch of sea salt and black pepper. Now, I'm using less sea salt than usual because I had brined my chicken drumsticks beforehand. If yours aren't brined, you might want to adjust your salt to taste, but I highly recommend brining your chicken. I patted the drumsticks dry off camera. That step is important for getting crispy skin. Next, I'll toast them in a bit of cooking oil to help the seasoning stick and give that beautiful golden finish. Now, you can either sprinkle the seasoning over the chicken or dip each chicken drumstick into the seasoning. Mix like I'm doing here. Repeat the process one drumstick at a time till all your drumsticks are well covered with the seasoning. Make sure they are all well coated. We want every bite packed with flavor. Arrange the drumsticks on a wire rack placed over a baking tray. This helps the heat circulate evenly and crisp up the underside. Then give them a good spray with some cooking oil to lock in that crunch. I highly recommend using a cooking spray so that you don't tamper with the coating on top, like if you were to use a brush. Bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes, rotating the tray after 30 minutes for even crispiness. And while those baked, I was roasting some potatoes to go with the drumsticks. I actually have a video of those crispy baked potatoes right here on the channel. You'll want to check that out too. Once baked, listen to that crispy skin as I transfer them on a serving dish. It's music to my ears. Finish up with a sprinkle of fresh dhania for a burst of color and freshness. And here we have it, crispy baked chicken drumsticks, perfectly roasted potatoes, and a simple vibrant salad. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? The full recipe is up on the website. The link is on the description box down below. And if you enjoyed this video, you love the other recipes I've shared here on the channel, be sure to like, share, comment, and of course, subscribe for more easy, tasty, healthy recipes you can make right at your home.